First, open the Gallery app on your Samsung phone. Tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap Settings. Scroll all the way down and tap About Gallery. Now tap the version number 7 times quickly. This will enable Gallery Labs. Go back to the Gallery Settings page. Scroll down and tap Gallery Labs. Scroll down again and turn on the Save as PDF option. Now go back to the gallery. Select the photos you want to include in your PDF. After selecting the photos, tap Create. Then tap Save as PDF. Choose default order or arrange the pages as you like. Wait a few seconds while the PDF is created. Now open the My Files app. Open the Download folder. You will find your newly created PDF file there. Tap on it to open and view your PDF. That's it. This is how you can create a PDF on a Samsung phone without using any third-party apps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.